5 Best Water Heater Parts.
Here is the product number 5.
LED Display Home Water Shower. This thermometer monitors the built-in small-scale hydro power system makes it generate currents without any battery. After turning off the water, it'll turn off current automatically. High-precision temperature sensor provides accuracy, the error is only +/1 deg.f. 360-degree rotatable waterproof LED screen for better viewing. Compatible with most of the shower equipment, easy to install without any.
Here is the product number 4.
TINTON Life Electric Fossil U Heater. W Heater.
Here is the product number 3.
LJXH 1.0 Heating Element. Product name, Mountain Heating Pipe. Thread size, DN25/1/32 mm. Tube length, 105 mm/150 mm/175 mm. Tube diameter, 8 mm. Voltage, 110V/220V. Power, 700W/1000W/1500W. Tube material.
Here is the product number 2.
Heating element for water. Heating element for water, stainless steel heaters, 3 kW/4.5 kW/6 kW/9 kW/12 kW boiler water heater, 1.2 inch/DN32 thread. Product name, water heater element. Tube length, 190 mm/210 mm/250 mm/290 mm/355 mm. Tube diameter.
Here is the product number 1.
AC200 durable. Stees durable. Air pressure switch. Parameters. A. Temperature range, -40 degree +85 degree. B. The use of humidity range, less than or equal to 95%. C. Switch load, 0.1 A/125 BAC, 30 VDC. D. Work pressure value, 600 PA. E. Tools.
Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.